today we are here in the Polytechnic campus, and we are here for assistant for what is reinforcement for tidy meet the campus, because after the credibility in here already over and finished, and so we are here. And let me give you a little tour. Maybe in here there is a ruang kelas TRMJ. It's mean the designer class, and there is a woman toilet, a woman restroom, or in here a men's restroom, a men's toilet. And there is a poster here: stop bullying. Bullying is never okay. Destroy confidence, spreads fear, leaves scars that last a lifetime. Be the voice of kindness and stand against bullying. Speak up, support the victims, and help create a world where everyone feels safe, valued, and respected. And this is a backroom. I don't know what it means. And here alphabet, and I don't know it's too. And the next is wakil director. It's mean vice director. And next there is a SDNI. Maybe it's like apa ya? It's mean like vision mission. Maybe this is the vision and mission. The first is pendidikan berkualiti. What I forgot. Pendidikan, it mean education, quality, penelitian inovatif, penelitian, observe, invention, innovative invention, pengabdian masyarakat. It means you are do something to people in your area and kerja sama strategis. It means the together and strategy, pengembangan karakter. It means improve your character and infrastructure modern. And there are the picture about a new student of Polytechnic IDN. Look at it. There's a class there. It's mean an external event. We are camping here, and this is the paperclip challenge. This is what does it mean? I forgot. You must sell this bottle of water with the price with a high price. Okay. And this is the event here. I didn't join because I didn't what it mean daftar register, because I didn't register. Okay, maybe that's all about today daily vlog. Waalaikumsalam.